Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is what I shopped from my last Singapore trip on my birthday. And basically, I had no heavy shopping plans for this trip because this was a short trip and my birthday trip also. I wanted to spend my time with my birthday vibes. I mean, seeing the things I wanted to see there. And so it was a kind of casual shopping, you can say, or kind of impulsive shopping also, or whatever. So let's get started. So first I will start with these two beauties I bought from Charles and Kate. Let me tell you one thing before I start showing you what I shopped from Charles and Kate. As Charles and Kate is a home brand of Singapore, it is much cheaper over there. Okay, so if you are planning to go to Singapore from India, I recommend you to shop from Charles and Kate. Whatever you would like from there, like bags or accessories or shoes, sandals, whatever. I just went to Jewel, wanted to grab some food there. Nearby was Charles and Kate showroom. I just went in to see what is in there, if it is actually worth the money or not. But after checking their showroom, what I found, the bags are quite impressive. I did not like their sandals much. Might be the showroom that did not have that kind of collection which was matching my vibe or my choices. So I did not spend much time. I just grabbed two handbags, that's it. About the prices of the handbags, what I paid at the showroom was a bigger price than what I actually paid for the bag. I will tell you what it is about. I got GST refund at Changi airport while I was returning back to Kolkata, I mean to India, and they give GST refund if you buy Charles and Kate from their showroom. I got my GST refund after immigration, and that's it. So let's see how the bags look like. Okay, I am starting with this bigger bag. I did not get small handbags this time because I always think like bigger bags have more purpose, and I love how the packaging is. You see, it's completely sealed. Everything is sealed. In the showroom of Charles and Kate in Jewel, the people who are assisting you to check the bags in the showroom, they're so kind and helpful. Literally, I did not expected that much of help. They will show you everything, like if you want to see the other colors, the how much you can extend the handles of the handbags, or whatever you help you need, you just tell them. So let's open this up. Yay! So here is the handbag in plum color. Hope you can see the color, it's beautiful. So this is how the handbag looks like. You can literally adjust the whole handle. You see there are holes of the handle of the handbag till here, so you can shorten it up like this, or like grab it like this if you want, or you can elongate the whole thing till here, which I recommend if you are like me, goes hands free everywhere, and it will look like this, see. And there are Charles and Kate logo everywhere, like here, of course here on the chains of the handbag. So it looks like this. I don't know if you can see it right here. Yes, you can. Walk like this while I am traveling, or I mean running errand, whatever, because it helps me to go hands free, and it looks so cool. The color goes with almost every kind of outfit, I mean every color of outfit. So I always tend to buy handbags in neutral colors. The storage is not so small. I can literally carry my small wallet, car keys, my small makeup kit if I am traveling, hand sanitizer, whatever I want. Pouch here. There is a chain which I did not notice while purchasing. See, the Charles and Kate card, dark plum color, very in, and that's it. I love how lightweight it is. So let's check the next one. Okay, this handbag is very close to my heart. I always wanted to get, or I mean, own this kind of handbag in my lifetime. I mean, the texture, the color, and the vibe, everything. I'm showing you what it is. So it is quite special for me. And you see, the packaging is same as the last one. Everything is sealed nicely, so when you are taking these things while you are traveling, I mean, coming back to home, it's no struggle. I have bought handbags from Malaysia also. It was a Coach handbag. I'm telling you, their packaging was not this kind of, it is very nice kind of packaging. I'm very impressed. So let's open this up. Here is the queen. It is giving me a queen kind of vibe, you see, because I'm showing you why. Let me open this part first. Just wait for a moment. Yes. Oh my god. I love handbags with, I mean, golden or gold accent. It is my vibe. I love gold or golden stuff so much. It is like, it's my vibe, you know. I just love this one. And also, there is a thing for which I was very impressed. I went for this one. It has a sling attachment, so I can carry it around just like the previous one, sling bag style. And if I don't want to, I can carry as it is. See what are inside. Okay, another, okay, it was stuck with the mic. Okay, another interesting thing is it has two handles. One is broader and one is a bit thinner, so you can style it whatever you want. And I just love this part. Okay, it comes with a pouch also, see. So I don't know if that one has a pouch. I will have to check. It has a pouch, so I can keep the handbag in a pouch for future use. So first I can use the handbag like this. Okay, so it's quite cool, goes with any kind of outfit. Appreciate the beauty for a moment. It's also very lightweight, but it has a kind of weight, this handle, and I knew it while buying, but you know the drill. It's for fashion. I just love this one. So this is the handle number 1, which is a bit broader. It looks like this. So I think it has the same kind of style. Yes, I forgot how it looked like in the showroom. Actually, I tried with the broader one, maybe. I can't remember. I don't know why I like this one very much, because of these golden things here, maybe. So let me attach. Now you see, it's a sling bag. I just love the whole thing of the bag, the color, texture, everything, as I told you. And I am showing you if it has any pockets inside. Let's check it out. No, it has no chained pocket here. You have a pouch like this, and that's it. It's spacious for travel. Options of the handles, you can detach this one. It is fun part of my shopping. I had no idea that the duty-free shops are not that cheap in Singapore. And while coming back to Kolkata, I went for shopping for a perfume, and it was the impulsive purchase. Of course, I had no plan to shop any perfume over there, and I got this Paco Rabanne perfume, and it is a unisex fragrance, and it's spicy, very attractive fragrance, what I feel like. And after trying a few perfume, I just fall in love with this one. So I thought, let's go for it. It is a EDT, and I loved this one. But after buying, I just checked on Nykaa and I saw the price is same, even maybe Nika is giving extra 500 or 400 bucks discount. Maybe the price is same, but I got it from Singapore and it was my birthday trip, so I am considering it as birthday present. So no regret, of course. Also, I tried the fragrance and I got the vibe all the stuff, and then I decided to purchase this one. So it's a kind of whole new experience for me, and also I will remember this one as things I bought from Singapore, so no regret at all. But I recommend you to not to shop from a duty free cosmetic store in Singapore Changi airport, and because I feel like the prices are almost same over there. If you are going there, you can check stuff. If you feel like that you need to buy, then only you give a try. Otherwise, you can check the prices of the same stuff on Nykaa or Tira Beauty, wherever you want to, and you just come back home. Okay, you know what I mean. Let's move towards the other stuff which I bought, and let's see. Okay, next I got a few things, and among which I also consumed a few things which are chocolates, which are not with me anymore, which are like memories right now. I hope you can understand the excitement. Only 3 4 are left right now. Only 3 are left right now. I bought this from the Changi airport, and I found that might be a paradise of chocolate, not much affordable over there. If you want to buy cheaper chocolate, you can go in 7-Eleven and buy a few. These I bought from Changi airport, and you can go for any other brand. I just grabbed these few, and bought some souvenir, and I always get them wherever I go, and because these things are for lifetime and for memories, I just love to collect them. First, I'm showing you this one. This one is Hello Kitty. It's quite cute. See, I got it from Universal Studios. Got this from, yeah, Oceanarium of Sentosa. I got another thing from Sentosa Universal Studios. It's another fridge magnet. I want to go back, but I can't. Okay, I got this at least. Okay, next one is the memory of the Merlion Park, iconic thing. So that's it. Things I bought from Singapore. Vlog ends here. I'm so sad. I want to do another vlog. I wanted to buy more. Now I'm feeling like that. But let's get into the real world. I'm back, and the vlog ends here. So let's meet on my another vlog. Till then, stay fit, stay awesome. I love you. Bye.